Hello everyone! Today we're going to unbox some of my recent purchases from Dior. So watch this video till the end to see what's inside the bags. Before we get into the unboxing, one thing that's really fascinating for me is the charms from Dior on the back, the star charms. I use these as back charms for my other bags all the time. So when buying things from Dior, it's really something that I look forward to because it makes me really excited for my new bags. Okay, so we're gonna start with this bag and see what's inside. I'm just gonna open the bow right here. The ribbon is also a really fascinating part of it. You can use it as decorations on hats or gloves or something. So then you can open. Okay, so I see these are some shoes that I got from Dior. So this one is the Dior Ballet Slingback shoes in black. And here we have the card from Dior. And we're gonna open it to see what's inside. So inside the little envelope was this little card that's explaining to me that I've purchased these Dior shoes and they're very carefully selected about their quality and their leather and the way they were manufactured. And also here it recommends to me that I shouldn't wear them more than twice in a row, or I should be careful about cleaning them properly and putting them in the pouch and things like that. So we're gonna get into the pouch here with the Dior brand embellishment. And then here we open the shoes. So these are the ballet slingbacks that I got. As you can see, the patterns on the shoes are similar to the patterns on the Lady Dior bags. We also have an unboxing video of the Lady Dior bag, so if you want to check that out, the link is in the description. And at the bottom you see the lucky star of Dior with the pearl, the CD initials, and the pearl is also inspired by the Dior earrings. So also that the whole material of the shoes are calfskin, and these are the linings here. These are all made of cotton, the bow and the linings. So these are how both of the shoes look like, the pair of the shoes. I think these are really good choices for when you want to go to an event and you want something chic, simple, but still having that Dior reputation on it. So I think it's a really good choice, and it really looks good with everything because of the color and the design. Okay, so now we're going to unbox the bigger box, which seems very more exciting. So we're gonna start by unboxing this one. Okay, so I bought all of these products in the Dior in Fashion Avenue of Dubai Mall. This is obviously larger. And I also had a really fun time with the sales associates that were really helpful to me when buying my products, and they kind of went out of their way to help me and assist me in choosing what I like. So I bought this bag last night, and when I was purchasing it, they told me that it's part of the new collection for winter 2025. So we're gonna see what's inside now. So we have the Dior pouch for the bag here. And as you can see, this is the medium E-Dream Dior bag. It's in the blue Dior oblique jacket design, as you can see. It's perfect for everyday use, and it has this laid back, modern, but still very elegant design. And I think it's a really good choice for both casual outfits and also very classic outfits. I have a shoulder strap and also a crossbody strap. You can also like remove each of the straps if you wanted to, just to use them separately. It also has a zipper in the middle, so we're gonna see what's inside. The zipper is also very smooth and it's really easier to use it. We have this envelope here. And inside it's very spacious. I think it's very practical. So here how it looks like in the inside. It has also extra pockets on the sides here with the Christian Dior logo in gold. And these are closed by the magnet here, also on this side. And the straps are both adjustable, so you can adjust it to your own liking. And yeah, it's a very useful design and a very practical design for everyday use. So this is me unboxing my new shoes and bag from Dior. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, don't forget to hit the like button and share it with people who might like it as well. And if you like this content, you can also subscribe to our channel, which we unbox a lot of different types of products. So thank you for watching this video, and I hope to see you soon. Bye!